In this video, we're going to model the cylinder being the first of the circular construction blocks in activity 1.2.2 3D solid modeling. We're going to ensure construction blocks is our active project. And just to show you another way, you can also go up here to the piece of paper icon, or if you click on the drop down arrow, you can always choose whether you want a part, or if you click on the actual icon, choose the standard IPT, and then you can also say create. In order to get started, I'm going to go ahead and click on Start 2D Sketch. This one, since we're going to build this in a little different orientation, we're going to select the XZ plane, which is the one lying down here. The only thing that you got to watch out for is in the XZ plane, sometimes this turns at an angle. So notice the word top is not being read from left to right. It's been kind of turned 90 degrees. I'm going to go ahead and select this arrow up here by the view cube to turn it, so that way I can see the word top being written as it's reading from left to right. I'm going to actually choose under the create panel, I'm going to choose circle center point, which is the default for this button, but if you choose it from the drop down, you can also do the same thing. The first thing it wants to do is, if you check down here in the tooltips, the status bar, it says select center of circle. So I'm actually going to go over to the origin. I'm going to set that as the center of the circle. I'm going to click, so it's a press and release on your mouse, and then I'm going to move out away from the center, and however large I draw is going to be how big the circle is going to be. So I'm going to go ahead and select, and then I can go up here to grab dimension, select the outside of the circle, and this one is going to be 1.125, and select enter. So this will set that up, and if I zoom in here, we can resize kind of what our sketch looks like on our screen. We are fully constrained. Let's go ahead and finish the sketch. And for this one, I'm going to zoom out just a little bit and pan. So again, using my mouse by pressing down on that scroll wheel and moving around. I'm going to go ahead and click extrude. And the height on this one is actually going to be at 2 5/16, 2.313. And I'll go ahead and select OK. There's our cylinder. Choose the drop down, and even if I can grab the scroll bar, go down to find my maple, or you can always press a key to be able to do so. I'm going to grab the scroll bar. More than one way to get there. I go ahead and select save. This is going to be called the cylinder, and this will finish out our first circular construction block that we have here in activity 1, 2,